Hello everyone, we are from Lingayas Institute of Health Sciences and we are here for ZEST Carnival and we are very much excited. हम लिंगायास विद्यापीठ के स्टूडेंट्स हैं। आज हमने फोक डांस में पार्टिसिपेट किया है। अब हम अपने रिजल्ट को जानने के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड है। आज हमारे जेस्ट में स्टार नाइट भी है, हम उसे एंजॉय करने के लिए भी बहुत खुश हैं। हम लोग DVM से आए हैं इस लिंगायास की फेस्ट में और हम कंपटीशन के लिए आए हैं फोक डांस के लिए। सो वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड। Hi everyone, we are from KR Mangalam University and we have performed as a group and we did the Haryanvi folk dance and we were really excited to be here and perform at the Lingaya for the result. The competition is very high but still for the best. Let's see. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, I am Nikhil from Urban Abaku. We really enjoyed today because we got the first prize and we really enjoyed the audience that they are hyping us and enjoying the performance. And we are the last year also winners of the Lingayas Vidyapeeth Cultural Fest, and this year we also got the first position. So we are very happy. Thank you so much.